The air in Sam's apartment felt still and quiet. It was a Tuesday morning, like any other Tuesday. Sam made coffee. Sam looked out the window at the gray buildings. Every day was the same. Sam worked from home on a computer. The days blurred into each other. Sam felt a little lost, a little invisible, in the middle of the busy city. That morning, the mail arrived. There was a bill, an advertisement, and something else. A postcard. Sam picked it up. It felt different. The paper was thick. The picture on the front was not of a tropical beach. It was a black and white photograph of a large, old oak tree in a park. Sam didn't recognize it. Sam turned the card over. The handwriting was elegant, in dark blue ink. It said, "The best view of the city is from under its oldest guardian. Find the bench with the carved heart. 9 Uhr morgens." There was no signature, no address, only Sam's name and apartment number. Sam was puzzled. Who would send this? Was it a mistake? Sam looked at the clock. It was 8:30. On a normal day, Sam would have sat down at the computer. But today felt different. The postcard was an invitation to a small mystery. A spark of curiosity, long asleep, flickered inside. Sam put on a jacket, grabbed the postcard, and went outside. The city was loud and full of movement. People rushed to work. Cars honked. Sam walked, holding the postcard. The oldest guardian. Sam thought about parks. There was Greenleaf Park a few blocks away. It was old. Sam hadn't been there in years. The walk was short. The iron gates of the park were open. Inside, the noise of the city became a distant hum. The air smelled of damp earth and leaves. Sam walked along the path, looking for a large oak tree. And there it was, in the very center of the park. It was enormous, with wide, strong branches. It was the tree from the postcard. Under its branches, the light was soft and green. Sam looked around. There was a single, weathered wooden bench facing the tree.
Sam walked closer.
On the right arm of the bench, someone had carved a small, lopsided heart, now smoothed by years of weather. Sam sat down. It was exactly 9 a.m. For a few minutes, nothing happened. Sam just sat looking at the tree. It was peaceful. Sam noticed the intricate pattern of the bark, the way the sunlight filtered through 1,000 leaves. A squirrel ran down the trunk. Sam realized this was the first time in months he had just sat and looked at something. Really looked. The postcard was right. This was a beautiful view. Just as Sam was about to leave, an elderly man with a kind face and a small dog walked slowly to the bench. "May I join you?" he asked.
Sam nodded.
The man sat. He didn't say anything at first. He also looked at the tree. "Magnificent, isn't it?" he finally said. Planted in 1897. It's seen this whole city grow up around it. Sam showed him the postcard. The man smiled a gentle smile. "Ah," he said, "you got one. I wondered who would be here today." The man introduced himself as Henry. He lived nearby. For years, he explained he had been sending these postcards, one a week, to a random address in his neighborhood. The pictures were all of places in this very city, but places people often overlooked. A unique door knocker on Elm Street. A mosaic hidden in a subway station. The oldest street lamp. "People forget to see where they live," Henry said softly. "They think they need to travel far away to see something beautiful. But beauty is here. History is here. We just stop looking." Henry's words settled in Sam's heart. It was true. Sam had lived in this city for 5 years, but felt like a stranger in it. Henry pointed to a path leading out of the park. "The postcard doesn't give the next clue," he said. "But if you're interested, that path will lead you to the next thing worth seeing. A little ceramic cat on a garden wall. It's been there for 50 years. A good luck charm for the street." He stood up, gave a small wave, and walked away with his dog. Sam didn't go home. Sam took the path. And there it was, just as Henry said. A small, slightly faded ceramic cat, sitting on a low wall, smiling. A woman was watering her plants nearby. She saw Sam looking at the cat. "You found Henry's cat, I see," she said with a laugh. "He sends everyone here eventually." She told Sam how the cat belonged to her grandmother. How the whole street loved it. Sam had walked down this street before, but had never noticed. That was the beginning. Sam became a seeker. No more postcards arrived, but it didn't matter. Sam had learned how to look. The next weekend, Sam explored a different neighborhood. Sam found a tiny bookstore in a basement, run by a woman who knew every book. The following Wednesday, Sam visited the city's first firehouse, now a small museum, and talked to the retired firefighter who volunteered there. Sam started noticing things. The way the morning sun hit the clock tower, the sound of a specific wind chime on a quiet street, the smell of bread from a bakery that opened at 4 a.m. The city was no longer a gray, busy blur. It was a collection of stories, of small wonders, of hidden details. Sam felt connected. Sam felt present. Weeks later, Sam was walking back through Greenleaf Park. The oak tree stood, guardian-like, as always. On the bench with a carved heart, Sam saw a young woman looking around, a postcard in her hand. She looked curious, a little unsure. Sam smiled and walked over. "May I join you?" Sam asked. The woman nodded. Sam sat down. "Magnificent, isn't it?" Sam said, looking at the tree. "Planted in 1897. The woman showed Sam her postcard. It was a picture of the ceramic cat.
Sam smiled a gentle smile. "Ah," Sam said.
"You got one. I wondered who would be here today."